In this video, we will learn how to send Upwork proposals. Every client wants to know why they should pick you for their project over any other freelancer that applies. A single project can attract 5 to 50 plus proposals from freelancers. If you want to stand out among the crowd, a well-crafted proposal may be just what you need. Here are some tips on how to write a successful Upwork proposal. First tip in this list is: start by understanding the client's needs. Read the job posting carefully and take note of the client's specific requirements. What are they looking for in a freelancer? What are their pain points? Highlight your skills and experience in the proposal. Explain how your skills and experience are a good fit for the client's project. Be specific and provide examples of your work. Be confident and enthusiastic. Your proposal should convey your confidence in your ability to deliver results. Be enthusiastic about the project and show the client that you're eager to get started. Be clear and concise. Your proposal should be easy to read and understand. Avoid using technical terms that the client may not be familiar with. Proofread your proposal carefully before sending it to the client. Make sure there are no errors in grammar or spelling. A well-written proposal will make a good impression on the client. These are the tips that can help you to write a job-winning proposal. If you are still confused, don't be. I have another solution for you. Let's open a job. You can see a job description. First, read this description carefully, and if you fulfill the requirement, select all text and copy. Now, go to Google and search Bard AI. Open this website link. Click on Try Bard. Here enter the job description, and in the last line, enter some text that is, write a job-winning Upwork proposal. And press enter. You can see it generates a beautiful job proposal that is 100% according to client requirements. You can make custom changes like years of experience and enter the company name if needed. Copy this proposal. Click on Apply Now. Here choose a profile to submit the proposal with. You can confirm all job details from here. In terms, you can choose how you want to be paid: by milestone or by project. If you want to go with milestones, describe how many milestones you want to pay. Select how long with project will take. In additional details, you can see a cover letter box. Paste copied text. Make custom changes. You can send attachments to your clients for samples. Once you are all done, click on Send. This is how you can write an Upwork proposal. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.